Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you the sine formula. You need to consider about this triangle. In this triangle, this length is simple A, and this length is simple B, and this length is simple C. And you need to make a line from A to BC base that should be a perpendicular line to the base of BC. Now you need to apply the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. You need to consider this point is capital D. When we consider about this AD length, that is equal C sine B, and we can write another example for AD, that is AD equals B sine C. Now you can see these two expressions are equal, so we can assign these expressions as C sine B equal B sine C. Then we can make this expression into another arrangement, that is sine C divided by capital C, and that is equal to sine B divided by simple B. Now we need to make another perpendicular line from C point to the AD base. This is that line, and this point can be taken as capital F. Now we need to make an expression for CF base, that is equal to B sine A, and we can write another example for CF base, and that is equal to A sine B. You can see these both expressions should be equal, so I can write this various expression B sine A equal A sine B. Then I can arrange this expression like this: sine A divided by simple A totally equals to sine B divided by simple B. Then I can write down the final expression for sine formula, that should be sine A divided by simple A equals sine B divided by simple B equals to sine C divided by simple C. These three expressions should be equal to lambda, that is a constant. Okay guys, now I am going to teach you how to prove cosine formula. You have to consider this ABC triangle, and you need to make a line from A to base BC that should be perpendicular for the base BC, and this point is taken as F. Now we need to apply Pythagoras theorem for the ABF triangle. According to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal AF square plus BF square, and we need to separately write down each expressions for AB and AF and BF. Let's consider about AB. AB equals simple C, and AC equals simple B, and this BC base is equal to simple A. Hence AB equal simple C, and we need to write an expression for AF. AF equals B sin C, and BF equal A minus B cos C. And now we have to assign these AB and AF and BF expressions to the above written expressions. Okay guys, now we know AB equals C and BF equals A minus B cos C and AF equals B sin C, and we need to apply these three expressions to the expressions of Pythagoras theorem of ABF, that is AB square equals AF square plus BF square. Now we need to assign these expressions into this Pythagoras theorem. So C square equals B square sin square C plus A minus B cos C square. Now we need to simplify this expression like this: C square power equals B square multiplied by sin square C plus A square minus 2AB cos C and B square cos square C. Now we need to add this B square sin C square and B square cos square C. Now we need to simplify this equation into the very simple format. So C square equals B square plus A square minus 2AB cos C, because we know guys sin square C plus cos square C equals 1. That is a theory, and we can simplify these above expressions into cos C equals A square plus B square minus C square totally divided by 2AB. Okay guys, now consider about this example. First of all, we need to draw ABC triangle. And this BC line equals A, and this one is C, and this one is B. According to the cosine formula, we can write down cos C equals A square plus B square minus C square totally divided by 2AB, and cos B equals A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. Now we can simplify up our above expressions like this. Cos C can be multiplied by 2AB, that is equal A square plus B square minus C square. That is our equation number 1. And we can write down like this expression for cos V. So it should be 2AC and cos B equals A square plus C square minus B square. That is our equation number 2. Okay guys, now we need to reduce this equation number 1 and 2. So it can be write down like this. 2A cos C, B cos C minus C cos B equals A plus B minus C square totally reduced by A square plus C square and B square. When we simplify this, our right hand, we can write down 2B square minus 2C square, and our left side should be 2A B cos minus C cos B, and we can remove number 2, and this is our answer. A B cos C minus C cos B equals B square minus C square. This is our answer.